Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back. You're watching Forutech. So we came back with the review of the new Android application that is called as the PowerShed. PowerShed is a total notification and the quick setting panel replacement app that packs with the tons of the customization options that will let you easily personalize your Android device notification and the quick setting panel. This application also brings the new Android 11's media control to any Android device. So without wasting any time, let's get started for the review of the application. First of all, you have to go to the Play Store and search for the application name PowerShed. I have given the link of that application in video description. After installation of application, you have to give some special permission to this app, that is the accessibility, notification access and dual SIM permissions. After giving these all the permissions, your app is now ready to use. So after the complete setup, you have to enable the tab that is called as the running services. So under the first tab, that is the helper setup, here you can easily see after the activation of this application how your notification panel and the quick schedule panel will look like. Here there is one tab. When you click on that, your system panel will pop up, so you can easily see what are the customizations are done by using this application. So here you can able to change the name of your different tiles. You can also able to change the position of that tile under the system set. So now we will move to the main tab, that is the layout tab. Under the layout we get the tiles grid option. We are also able to change the size of the tiles. There is option to change the number of header tiles also, but all these options are the premium feature. To access that feature you have to pay 110 rupees instead of 370 rupees for the limited period of the time after the installation of application. There is a tab to change the size of your battery icon. Here you can able to change its style to the circular. There is another one option, that is to enable the power button under the quick setting panel. You can able to enable the power button under the quick setting panel also. There is option to enable the seconds in the clock under the quick setting panel. When you enable, you can see the seconds are activated under the clock section of the quick setting panel. There is option to change the position of the brightness slider under the quick setting. You can move the brightness slider to the header or to the footer of the quick setting panel. So now we will see the main customization tab, that is the colors. Under the colors you can able to theme your quick setting panels and the notification. The first option is the custom background image. This is the premium feature. We have to buy the premium feature to access this option. Under the background type, you are able to change the solid colors of your quick setting panel. You are also able to enable the live blur or the image blur. When you enable the blurring, you can see that there is a blur effect when you access your quick setting panel. But don't use the live blur because it is using the Chromecast feature to enable the live blurring, which will cause the some type of lag in your device. We are also able to change the dark mode or the light color option under the quick setting and the notification panel. Here we can see that I have changed the background color to the light one, and when you enable the auto dark mode, it will change the theming to the dark mode as per your system. There are bunch of options to change the background colors of the quick setting panel or the notification panel. We can also able to change the text color under the notification panels. There is option to change the brightness slider color also. There is option dynamic color notification. This option enables the color of the notification as per the color of the notification or the application. So here the my Gmail notification got converted to the color of that Gmail notification. Under the data users option, we are able to show the data users under the quick setting panel. For that, you have to give the permission to access the data users for the PowerShed. After giving the permission, we are also able to enable the warning for the data users. So we get the another tab, that is the edge triggers. Under this option we are able to enable the triggers to access the quick setting and the notification panel on the left border or right or the bottom border. So we are able to change the position of these triggers. We are also able to change the size and the length of these triggers. Vibrations can also be enabled for this trigger. So in this way we are easily able to access the quick setting and the notification panel by using these triggers. So you have to just long press this trigger, and when you leave that trigger the notification will get automatically dismissed. Another great feature that this application gives us, that it gives its own heads up control for all the notifications. So we can easily reply or dismiss the notification as we wish. We can able to disable the system heads up completely by giving the ADB permission by this application. Heads up notification that this application gives has its own colorized pop-up badge. We are able to enable or disable that badge. We are also able to change the pop-up time of that heads up notification. Here we can see the sample of the heads up notification given by PowerShell application. Here we will get the pop-up badge of WhatsApp, and we are able to reply directly from this heads up notification. By using this pop-up notification we are able to reply each and every application that gives the heads up notification. We are also able to reply from the lock screen also. If you doesn't have set any pin to your lock screen, we can directly reply from there. Under the extras you can able to backup or restore all the settings that you have already set it. Now the most important feature that this application gives us is the Android 11's new media control under the quick setting panel. When you enable this option, you get the new media control under the quick setting panel. This media control is directly integrated under the quick setting. By using this we are able to change the output like the phone speaker or the Bluetooth speakers directly from the quick setting panel. So go ahead guys, install this application and enjoy the new features. If we help you, then like this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming videos. So bye bye guys, take care, thank you.